Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rumawidi Ape from class C. In this video, I will be reading the presentation material from the Reading for Professional Purposes course, covering those from Group 1 to Group 6. So let's get started. Group 1, Identifying Key Information in Professional Purpose. The material discusses an essential skill in the professional world, the ability to recognize, filter, and focus on information that is truly relevant in contexts such as reports, memos, business emails, and formal communication. This skill helps improve time efficiency, decision-making accuracy, communication effectiveness, and team productivity. Reading strategies used include skimming to get an overview, scanning to find specific details, and critical reading to understand the author's purpose. Supporting techniques involve highlighting keywords, making merging notes, applying the 5W plus 1H method, recognizing the structure of professional text, and creating mind maps or flow charts. Common challenges include complex formal language, excessive information, and limited reading time. Through practice with professional texts such as memos, email, and reports, readers can train themselves to identify the core message quickly and accurately. As a result, comprehension improves, communication becomes more efficient, decisions are made more effectively, and the risk of error is minimized. Group 2, Understanding Structure and Organization of Professional Text. A professional text is a formal piece of writing used in academic business objectively and systematically. It generally consists of three main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion, which are organized in a logical and coherent manner to help readers easily follow the flow of ideas. The use of formal, consistent, and concise language reflects the reader's professionalism and enhances the credibility of the message. In reading, such text techniques like skimming and scanning allow readers to grasp main ideas and locate specific information efficiently. Maintaining cohesion and coherence ensure that sentence and paragraph are logically connected, preventing misunderstanding. Examples such as research proposals, technical reports, and business letters highlight the importance of following standard formats, presenting arguments clearly, and using accurate data analysis. Therefore, mastering the structure and organization of professional text is essential not only for improving comprehension and writing quality, but also for demonstrating competence and professionalism, even when dealing with complex, sensitive, or controversial topics. Group 3, Skimming and Scanning Techniques. The material skimming and scanning techniques explains two speed reading skills that help readers obtain information efficiently without having to read every details of the text. Skimming is used to understand the general overview, identify the main idea, and recognize the structure and purpose of passage. Meanwhile, scanning is applied to locate specific information such as numbers, dates, names, or key terms related to the reader's need. Both techniques play an important role in academic and professional contexts, especially for students, researchers, and workers who often deal with lengthy documents or reports. By applying skimming and scanning, readers can save time, improve concentration, and strengthen their critical thinking skills in selecting important information from the text. In addition, these techniques help readers become more strategic and selective by adjusting their reading style according to their goals, whether to understand the overall content or to find specific data quickly and accurately. Ultimately, mastering skimming and scanning enhances learning effectiveness and develop professional reading competence in various situations. Group 4. Reading reports and proposals. Reports and proposal are two important documents widely used in both academic and organizational settings because they have different but complementary functions. A report contains the results of activities that have already been carried out and is systematically organized based on facts, data, and evaluations. The purpose of a report is to provide clear information about the outcomes, assess the success of an activity, and serve as a basic for future improvement. Meanwhile, a proposal contains plans or ideas for activities that will be implemented. It includes objectives, steps, benefits, and reasons why the plan is important and should be approved. A proposal is usually written persuasively to convince readers to support or authorize the proposed plan. Both documents have structured formats to make them clear, organized, and professional. To understand the content of the reports and proposal effectively, readers can apply several reading strategies such as profiling, getting a general overview, skimming, finding the main idea, scanning, searching for specific information, and detailed reading thoroughly. By mastering how to read and understand reports and proposals, students can think more critically, organize ideas more systematically, and develop better academic and professional communication skills for their future. Group 5. Critical reading for professional purposes. Critical reading is an active, analytical, and reflective reading skill used to understand and evaluate the content of the text in depth. This skill not only focuses on comprehension but also involves the ability to analyze arguments, evaluate evidence, and identify bias within the writing. Through critical reading, a person can distinguish between facts and opinions, understand the other's purpose, and assess the accuracy and relevance of the information presented. In a professional context, critical reading helps individuals make sound decisions, write objective reports, and accurately interpret important documents. In today's digital era, filled with abundant information and fake news, this skill also plays an essential role in filtering relatable information. By applying strategies such as asking questions, making notes, summarizing, evaluating arguments, and comparing different sources, readers become wiser and more selective. Therefore, critical reading is not only an academic ability but also an important skill for developing the digital rational and professional thinking in everyday life. Group 6. Reading for meetings and presentation. Reading before meetings or presentations play an important role in supporting the success of communication and idea delivery in professional settings. Through reading, individuals can understand the context of the discussion, identify meeting objectives, and prepare logical and relevant arguments. The types of reading materials that should be reviewed include meetings agendas, supporting reports, presentation materials, previous minutes, and external reference such as articles or recent news. In addition, reading strategies such as skimming, scanning, active reading, and the SQ3R method helps readers grasp information quickly and thoroughly. Challenges such as limited time, excessive information, or digital distractions can be overcome by prioritizing essential materials and using supportive technology. By making reading a habit before meetings and presentation, individuals will not only be more prepared and confident but also enhance their credibility, efficiency, and professionalism at work. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.